that back. We on to the next move. I don't know where we end up at. Bodies on bodies on bodies on bodies on bodies.
Stacking real life bonds, money count, flaking on. I can't call her back, no. She don't got no walk away. I just face down. Yeah, we be back in front of me, bitch. You know me at least. I work hard to get this position. What goes on, bitch.
I got $20 in cash. However much she feel like she need to give. I gotta put it on just a little bit, just a little bit.
You know that shit, yeah. I can pay next year, I'm gonna buy you the 7.
For real?
Yeah. Cause you be like, fuck.
Relax.
You see how I got so excited about that?
Whoever you want.
For my birthday? You seen that?
Nah, wait, do it again. Yo,
It wasn't as clean.
I'm fucking bald, yo.
You like gonna be wavy.
Mama, we get that drunk, we ain't doing no hesitation. We gon' come through. Ain't need life for real.
We just leaving the schoolhouse. Hold on. How about to say my light doing that one?
My bitch, she mad and bad bitch 5'2"
And she brown skin.
she wanna ride in V8. And y'all nigga cap like he's a killer, no damn well that he ain't.
Bring the bank.
Yeah, I'm in the yams right now with 4 thick hoes, no way these bitches for me. I ain't got shit for a bitch.
Wait, one more time. I gotta play that. My bitch, she brown in me. Get y'all some alcohol, bro. She brown skin. She wanna ride in V8. Sometimes maybe me.
I'm trying to spend on a nigga, can't run out.
What he calling for? He just called me. All right. Hello? I'm at the bottom now. I told you it's taking too long.